Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Hey, this is Kevin with RVFix. Today we just wanted to go over a couple quick things you can check. If you have a Suburban tanked water heater, switches are turning on inside. You've already checked your fuses, you know those are good, but the water heater still doesn't seem to be turning on. There's a quick couple things out here on the water heater itself you can check as well. So the first thing, take that cover off, move it out of your way. If you are trying to run it on propane, you hear the ignition process trying to start. You'll get a couple clicks out here, and then you'll actually hear the ignition trying to ignite in there, but doesn't seem to be turning on. One of the most common things you'll see, especially if the RV has been sitting, is spiders love to make their nests inside this little tube right here, and this is actually where your propane gets fed into the burn tube. If this is plugged up, like I said, you'll get the whole ignition process going, but it'll never start, and you might even smell the propane because it's just going to be coming back out at you right here. Easiest way to fix that, if you have an air compressor and a extension on there that you can blow through there with, or even if you have a can of compressed air for computer duster, a lot of the times you can fit your little nozzle right into here, and you're just going to blow it straight into that burn tube. You don't want to try to blow this way. There's an orifice right here where the propane comes out of, and that is a very specific tiny hole that if you're blowing stuff into there, you might just plug something up going back the other way. So like I said, if you are trying to blow it out, you just want to make sure whichever way of air you're using, you want to blow it this way through the tube into the burn chamber. Another couple things you can check that have to do with the propane and the electric side is these are actually resettable buttons right back behind this. Depending on what model you have, if it doesn't have gas or electric, you might only have one button. This model has both gas and electric, so you actually have a button on each side. And those are just overheating protection. Say if you had to turn the water heater on gas before it was unbypassed and it heats up with no water in there, it will trip one of these little breakers to shut the power off. So if that is the case, you'd want to make sure you got water in it. You know, when your water system's pressurized, you can always just hit your pressure relief valve just real quick. If it's pressurized and filled, you will get water spitting out of that valve right there. Like I said, then you can always come and just push in on these. If they are tripped, you will feel those buttons push in and click. It'll be noticeable pushing on them. If they are not tripped and you're pushing in on this rubber, you can feel the buttons back there, but they will not actually do anything pushing on them if they're not tripped. If those quick, simple things, if you take a look at, like I said, your fuses inside, your resets right here on your ECO and thermostat, or cleaning out that burn tube, if that doesn't seem to get it going for you, it's probably going to be a bigger issue that you'd want to give us a call about and have us start taking a look with you.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.